Good evening, Tony.
Good evening, Your Honor.
So, you're contesting a violation, running a red light at 4:39 in the afternoon. Let's take a look at the footage. Pauses. I see the car stopped in one frame, then moving through in another. Inspector Quinn, run it again, please.
Your Honor, that's not me. It's yellow in the first image, but then red in the second.
What would you like to say about this?
I spoke to one of your officers, and I asked why the footage doesn't even show me using my signal. I drive through that intersection every weekend for work. That day, I was headed to Walmart. I know I put my signal on. I know I stopped. The officer told me, it shows your signal. But that's not my signal light, that's my brake light.
So you believe the footage doesn't reflect what actually happened?
Exactly. The paper the court sent me shows my car stopped in one image and then moving in the next. That's what I'm going by.
All right, let's go through this together. Inspector Quinn, roll the footage.
There's no need. I already know what's going to happen. I know what I did. Go ahead and do what you have to do.
The light turns yellow, now red. Tony, did your vehicle stop in the video? Yes or no?
In the video, no.
But in the photograph, the car is stopped?
Yes.
All right, I understand your frustration, but let's stay calm.
I know how this works. Your officers have quotas to meet. I know I stopped. But if you're going to fine me $85 plus court costs, I don't have it. I'd rather walk out, get my car, and come back to turn myself in. I have no family here. My son offered to lend me the money, but I told him no. I'd rather go to jail than pay for something I didn't do. I work for the courts. I work for an international security company. I am not guilty.
Tony, take a deep breath. Just relax for a moment.
I'm as relaxed as I'm going to be.
Listen carefully. You're accused of running a red light. You received a summons with video evidence. You claim the video shows you stopping. If that were true, the case would be dismissed immediately. But the case is being dismissed, not for the reason you think. Let me explain.
Go ahead.
You made a right-hand turn. Under Rhode Island law, a right turn on red is legal unless there's a sign prohibiting it. Some intersections have signs that say, no right on red. Others require a full stop first. I don't see any such sign in the footage.
So what does that mean?
It means you made a legal right-hand turn. The city has to prove its case with clear and convincing evidence. They submitted a video, and in that video, there is no sign prohibiting your turn. That means they can't prove their case, and I have no choice but to dismiss it.
So, it's dismissed?
Yes.
Thank you.
Before you go, I just want to tell you one last thing.
What's that?
You didn't stop.
Then take me to jail.